First act of the journey was this.
Right.
Then actually post this trip, the 6-day trip that I talked about, I think I realized that I need to kind of work in the industry. I should assist or in some capacity, even if I do like a technical job. But I need to come here and figure out the know-hows and how to make a film here. One is like I think I can make a film creatively, and one is, I'm not saying networking, but somehow you need to understand the industry per se, which I had no experience of, not even been to Bombay, So I was very clear after this particular meeting and visit actually that I must assist, and I made one commitment: if I will assist, then it will be Yashraj Films, because I've been a big fan of YRF in general, and I can safely say I think Mr. Yash Chopra is a director who I admire the most, even in my impressionable years. I think his cinema is really, Yashji, Hrishikesh Mukherjee, these films are very, very impressionable for me. So now the idea was how to do that, but somehow the timing did work out, and I started assisting on Fana, which was the first film I assisted on. And now in terms of the journey, what happened was when Fana was finishing, this is 2006, I showed Adi all my short films and all of that. You just come out of film school, you're excited to show it to at least someone like Adi and you have access to him or whatever. So I showed the film, he had a very positive feedback, good reaction, whatever. But so before Fana was finishing, I just asked him if you can give me like some time of yours. I just want to bounce off an idea, just to get your feedback whether I should even indulge in it or I'm stupid and think about something else. And that was the time when I bounced off the story idea of what is called fan. So that it started then. And he heard it and he was like, yeah, it's a brilliant idea. I mean, he was genuinely excited about it. He told me two things. He said, work on it, of course. It's going to be a very tough script. It's definitely a very tough film to make. So my suggestion is, please develop it. But don't imagine this to be your very first film, because it's a very ambitious film. And it will require a star. And I was like, no. ये बनेगी तो शाहरुख के साथ बनेगी, वरना ये नहीं बननी चाहिए। अच्छा तो मैं शाहरुख खान के साथ बनाई, मैंने कहा हाँ 100 और किसके साथ बनाएंगे, ऑब्वियसली ये सिर्फ शाहरुख खान के साथ ही बनेगी। अच्छा तुम लिखो तो सही एंड बनाओ शाहरुख खान के साथ, बट फर्स्ट फिल्म नहीं होगी, तो बाद में रह गई। Well, life moved on and Fana released, and then I was taking some time to develop the idea. Just, it's more in an exploration stage. You're still writing, ideating, thinking, aging, whatever. You're just developing. We're in the process of developing this. A months later, I got a call from Adi. So he asked me that, where are you? Are you in Delhi or in Bombay? So I was like, no, I'm in Bombay. He was like, what's happening? I was like, कुछ नहीं, मैं लिख रहा हूँ यार, वो कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। अच्छा वो वाला idea? मैंने कहा हाँ, अच्छा कल ऑफिस आएगा। Okay. I went to office and he said, yeah, I'm planning a film and I suggest you do it if you like it. And it's Madhuri Dixit's comeback film and it will be directed by Anil Mehta. Madhuri Dixit's comeback film, I'm doing it here. I mean, we are not discussing this. I mean, this is the golden opportunity. And I'm a big fan of Anil Mehta as a cinematographer, and he was making his first film. So obviously I was very excited about it. So then Aaja Nachle happened, and this whole development process was on hold, and I was working on Aaja Nachle. Now Aaja Nachle released, and again I went back to the development of this story, which I was very excited about. 2 months later, I get a call from Adi. कहाँ पर? घर पे हो? दिल्ली में हो कि बॉम्बे में? बॉम्बे में? अच्छा कल ऑफिस आया। ओके, भाई वो थे, क्या चल रहा है? लाइक वो मैं स्टोरी लिख रहा हूँ। हाँ तुम्हारा मैग्नम ओपस? मैंने कहा हाँ, अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट है, बहुत अच्छी है। मैंने कहा थैंक यू, कमाल का आइडिया है। अच्छा तो मैं पिक्चर बना रहा हूँ। ओके, शाहरुख है उसमें, वी हैव टू लुक फॉर अ न्यू गर्ल and I want you to work on the film, and first thing you get going on finding a new girl. Like, okay, Shahrukh Khan is Chopra making a film, I'm working on the film. So I did अपने बना दी जोड़ी, And when Rabne happened. Now after Rabne finished, I think it was somewhere between me and Ali. It was like I will be making a film, and again he told me very categorically, you're not making fan. That's not your first film. I'm telling you that. You make the film, but not as your first film. And so let's bounce off what other story we can indulge in as producer director. And I felt so bad यार. I was like यार मुझे तो लगा अभी रबने अपने करके तो हो ही जाएगा मेरा अभी ना. I did. Now that's a very funny story by the way. So now Rabne when it finished, and this whole rejection of not making fan gave birth to Band Baja Barat. I had to come up with this story. I didn't know there is a Band Baja Barat line in my system somewhere. I thought अच्छा यार थोड़ा personal सा intimate सा कुछ होना चाहिए. I think not a big film. And then somehow I think I guess something good must have happened. Like a good story came out. And Band Baja happened, and then things followed. In terms of this meeting, so Rabne pre-production is going on. So you have to meet the actor, like you're doing the look test and Suri ka look tha, and you're trying the mustache and specs and body language. So we are meeting very often, and we are meeting in the capacity of he's Adi's first and whatever, and all chilled out. And I think a week or 10 days into the shoot, we were generally on lunch break where everyone's just chilling and we were having a conversation, and it went to something which we did discuss at that point about a play, about this writing, and so organically it came out. I was like, actually, so we have had this conversation once. मैं ना तब आया था तो बोले तू वो मनीष है? I was like, हाँ तू तो LA में पढ़ रहा था ना? हाँ तो कह रहे यार वो कौन है यार उसमें वो 8 फिल्में कौन बनाता है? मैंने कहा वो एक और है यार वो तो जब पार्टी में तो हेलो बोलते रहते मुझे लगा मेरे घर आया तो आज घर आया बैठ के कह रहे मुझे उसको हेलो बोलना चाहिए. मैंने कहा नहीं उसमें वो तू है. नहीं हाँ. So then the puzzle, I mean it got resolved everything कि कौन है